Everyone, this is Tim from HDMI-CEC Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to enable the option to control your PS4 with your TV remote. So we want to go up to the top here and go to Settings, and then scroll on down to where it says System. Then go to where it says Enable HDMI Device Link. This will link your PlayStation 4 to your TV through the HDMI, and this will allow you to control your PS4 using your TV remote. So if this isn't still working, you need to enable this option on your TV as well, or you might have to go to the AnyNet Plus on the Samsung TV source option to actually control it. So enable on your TV, enable on your PS4, and then you can just grab your TV remote, start moving around, and it should work very easily. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more technical videos coming up next on HDMI-CEC Studios.